two flagship devices. Which one has a better camera? That is the question. Side by side. Front-facing camera. Full length of my arm. Is it going to overexpose the sky? It will. If I'm out of the frame, look at that compensation. There you go. There you go. They're both really, really quick. Okay, why such a thing happening? Usually, smartphones want to brighten up your face, and it will also overexpose the sky. Only Samsung and iPhone doing that in a different way. Alright, full length of my arm. Do we have autofocus in front-facing camera? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Can also do it like this. You see, it's focusing nicely, and that is really, really cool. Motorola has one of the best front-facing camera in the market, maybe even the best. Look how wide it is. The only drawback is there's no 4K 60, only 4K 30 frames per second. But still, very, very wide. And look how wide it is for the wide-angle lens. That is extremely wide. The whole thing, fountain or whatever that is in the frame. That is very impressive for the Motorola. Video stabilization. It's cool to me. A little bit of colors for you. I mean, it's only red, but still. The question is, can we do macro with it? For example. Yes, we can. In both. Really, really cool. But Moto can give you a maximum macro experience. There's a dedicated mode for macro. There you go. Look, that is crazy macro. You can go really, really close with a dedicated macro mode. And the vlogging style, this is how it's going to look like with the wide angle lenses. Let me stop for a bit. Vlogging style. Let's continue to the main lens. There you go. That's the main lens. Video stabilization. Oh, look at that water. It's white. Probably chlorophyll. Most likely some. They put some chemical in it. Anyway, video stabilization, autofocus, available in both of them. Both of them quick. That's very cool. If you want to vlog from the main lens, this is how it's going to look like. Vlogging from the main lens. And it's time for telephoto. 2x, 3.7. 3x and 3.7 for the Oppo. 3x in both of them. Alright. 10x and 6x. Let's do 10 in both of them. How's it looking? Definitely Vivo is killing it. Alright. 20x, that's the maximum, and also 20x for the Vivo. I mean, the difference is like insane. There you go. All right. Let's go back. Let's go back.
So which one is better? Let me know in a comment below.